Hello and welcome to my sixth visual communication presentation. Today, we will go over the importance of website visuals, both in general and in a medical website. Today's objective will be to share the impact of visual concepts and elements, and those will be planning and organizing a website, simplifying the website, allowing important visual interactive elements, visual displays such as charts and graphs, and finish off with images and content. This will be both in general and for a website that I chose, mayoclinic.org. Organization of a website is a very important factor. It shows how we and our brand truthfully reveal our business culture, and it also truthfully reveals the impression current and future consumers will have about us and our brand. Important details to really take note of when maintaining high quality website design include content such as colors, lines, and imagery, and maybe social media icons, and the layout or organization such as space, positioning, and animation. How a website's layout or organization quality contributes to the user experience. The design of a website or how website content is laid out is very important. And the impression we make with our website design will determine our business performance quality. Could it be a poor quality design? Could it be a high quality design? Let's hope it is a high quality design, so that means we got to plan well. A simplified homepage is the best approach when designing a homepage, because to start out, a homepage is always what users will see when accessing a website, regardless what kind of device. A homepage that is simplified and less challenging to understand is what helps users want to learn more and continue to navigate. Simplifying a website is very important to maintain high quality. The images for why Mayo Clinic is a great medical website is because they have various important topics with icons, as well as a simplified amount of content, and every topic and icon is separated with a fair amount of white space. Website simplicity includes important practices such as being very clear and coordinated with the user's objectives, being more efficient with the operations, and being simplified with the number of options given to users. We want to help our users be able to meet their objectives or reach their goals. And to do so, we should always be thinking about how to be straightforward and not have large amounts of content cramped and making the website very overwhelming to understand. Visual interactive elements are a great approach to improving the quality of a website. especially for a medical website, it's great that visual interactive elements are there. We especially should allow one that guides users throughout the website in a very straightforward process without any confusion. We should allow interactive elements that allow users and customers or patients at the hospital to evaluate their experience and suggest feedback for improvement. We should also provide hours of operation both for the medical facilities themselves and for help or support for the customers. This will especially be very important for patients who are going to the particular hospital. We should also include some information about what past customers' impressions were given about our specialty. Visual aids or displays are a great resource to help make life easier when trying to understand information. Charts and graphs are examples of visual aids or displays, and they can help us understand information much more clearly, in that it's easier to be more inferential, deal with large amounts of data, and be able to determine connections between important factors. Data is made more clearly to understand with graphs and charts in that they visualize information that is being presented and also understood more easily sooner rather than later. A couple examples of graphs include line graphs, which use lines to connect data points that are being plotted and can be used to reveal certain consistent patterns and determine whether two variables have a connection to each other. We have bar graphs as well, which when we see higher or lengthier bars, they determine greater measured value or frequency. Examples of charts include pie charts, which give percentage proportions of an entire total, and Venn diagrams, which are used to determine certain overlaps between certain data sets. The appearance of a medical website should look very nicely simplified and well organized. It should not look so exciting and appear to be so intensely hard for people to understand, and rather more simplified, calm, and neutral. For a medical website, because there are patients that do not feel very well, too many lines can lead to patients' ill feelings getting worse. The amount of content should not be so excessive that white spaces in between icons, images, and content are actually a positive thing. And the choice of colors should be really nice, neutral, and calm, such as the color blue, along with white spaces. And some examples of the choices of images include very simplified icons imagery, and very small detailed descriptions along with links to more detail in other pages in a very simplified and organized manner. We went over the importance of high quality website planning, laying out, and designing, and the significant impacts it will have. Thank you for watching my presentation.